Dart School presents Roman numerals. The ancient Romans used the letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. And in the Roman numeral system, the number 1 is represented by the letter I, 5 is represented by the letter V, 10 by the letter X, 50 by the letter L, 100 by the letter C, 500 by the letter D, and 1000 by the letter M. The Roman numerals are most commonly found on clocks today, and there are a few rules you need to follow in order to write down a given number in the Roman system. When a symbol appears after a larger symbol, it is added to the larger symbol. So when you have V and then I, V is for 5 and I is for 1, so this symbol I appears after a larger symbol, you add them, so this is equivalent to the number 5 plus 1, they are added, so this is 6. Similarly, if you have X and then I, it indicates 10 and 1, and because 1 is after 10, you add them, so this is 11, and so on. When a symbol appears before a larger symbol, it is subtracted from the larger symbol. So let me just underline them. After a larger symbol, added, and before a larger symbol, subtracted. So if you have IV, this means V minus I or 5 minus 1, so this represents the number 4. Similarly, if you have IX, this represents the number 10 minus 1, which is 9. And do not use a symbol more than 3 times in a row. So if you have 1, 1, 1, this indicates the number 3, but you're not supposed to add another 1 to make it 4. Rather, you would write IV for 4. Similarly, XXX is 30, but if you want to write 40, you will not write XXXX. Rather, 40 should be treated as 50 minus 10, so X and then L is equal to 40. The smaller symbol X appears before the larger symbol L, therefore you subtract 50 minus 10. Let's look at a few more examples. Let's try and write 76 in Roman numerals. You want to break down 76 as a 50 and a 20, that is a 10 and a 10, and a 5 and a 1. So this is going to be L, and then X, and then another X, and then a V, and then a I. So LXXVI is equivalent to 76. And let's now try and change XCIX, this Roman number, to its corresponding decimal number. Now X is 10, C is 100, this is 1, and this is 10 again, which means a smaller symbol appears before a larger symbol, and therefore we need to subtract. We need to subtract 10 from 100. So this part is a 90. So we have 90 over here, and similarly, because a smaller symbol representing 1 appears before a larger symbol representing 10, we do a subtraction. 10 minus 1, this is 9. So this number XCIX is 99.